to use same Telegram account on two devices. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get started. So what you have to do is simply install Telegram on both of your phones or both of the device you want to put the account, and then enter using the same mobile number in both of the devices. And you have to have your account logged into one of your devices, and then the next step is to get the code from other device and put it in the new device where you want to set up your ID. Once you have entered your ID, you can have the option to sync your messages, and just like that you can now use your Telegram in two devices. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.